Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating the essentials and then act immediately. First, confirm the service is reachable with a quick ping or curl. If unreachable, fix networking first. Next, locate the live configuration file and create a timestamped backup so you can revert. Once done, inspect credentials and environment variables used by the service. Mismatched tokens often block retrieval. Make sure file permissions allow the service to read the config, and note any differences you find before moving on. You now perform the detailed repair steps that resolve most failures. Run a config validator or schema check and fix any syntax or missing key errors. These are silent killers. Once validated, clear caches and restart config agents or daemons so stale state is removed, then repull remote configuration sources. After reapplying the corrected config, run a dry run or use a staging instance to confirm the service can retrieve and parse the file. This prevents surprises when you switch back to production. You finish by bringing the system back into steady state and verifying success. Restart the target services so they load the corrected configuration, then watch real-time logs for retrieval success messages and any lingering errors. Make sure health checks and metrics align with expected values for 5 to 15 minutes to confirm stability. If things still fail, enable verbose logging, capture the exact reproduction steps and timestamps, and roll back to your backup while you analyze. That captured trace will point to the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.